So, hi, once again, MLV Rainto, okay? So, marami pong nagtanong sa akin, ano po yung ginagawa ko dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, dahil isa pa akong FW P4 at ngayon nandito sa Pilipinas. So, nagtanong sila, ano po yung Entrep Hub, okay? Paano po mag-avail, okay? So, ngayon, meron akong i-share sa inyo na opportunity na ito po yung dahilan kung bakit nandito ako ngayon sa Pilipinas at ini-enjoy yung kitaan sa negosyong ito, okay? So, just watch and enjoy, okay? So, thank you, and kung interested po kayo, pwede kayong mag-message sa aking Facebook, okay? Mag-PM sa aking number, and of course, sa chat box dyan sa YouTube. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching. God bless. Ayan, so, welcome to Entrep Hub, the level of success. So, ang Entrep Hub po was established in the year 2011. So, 12 years na po yung ating company last November. Ang ating presidente, isa po siyang President and CEO na Sir Emmanuel Pascual, an accountant by profession, successful business entrepreneur, a network marketing industry icon, top earner in any MLM company. He joined 22 years experience in MLM and millionaire creator. Okay, so yung napapalobas ng Entrep Hub, meron ting RiceMart, Generics Pharmacy, Unified, eCash Pay, Hotel Lifestyle, F. Marienco, Quick Finance Incorporated, and many more. Okay, so next po ay ang ating legalities po, ang ating company, legal, moral, ethical, registered sa Bangko Sentral Pilipinas, Securities and Exchange Commission, Anti-Money Laundering Act, dahil meron tayong remittance, at lahat na nakikita nyo sa screen po, yun po yung ating mga legalities. Okay, so next po, who is Entrep Hub? Okay, is a group of brands that are ready for franchising. Okay, why it is created? Okay, it's created to help business owners in expanding through franchising and enables a small business to compete with big business. And of course, our main office, 1520 Junior Building, Misan and Floor, South Triangle, Quezon City, Philippines. Okay, so yan po, office branches po. Ayan, Quezon City, Cebu, Davao, Butuan, General Santos, and meron po tayong mga branches sa ibang bansa. Okay, so next po, Entrep Hub franchise business. So, mamili ka lang dito kung saan yung gusto mo. Okay, we have Tokyo Tempura. Alam ko naman na paborito to sa mga Pilipino. 549,199 lang po. Meron tayong Pinto Paris na 499,999 pesos. Okay, meron tayong Tokuyaki na 199,999 pesos. Okay, meron tayong RiceMart na sa halagang 289,199. Meron tayong Shumai na 199,199. And we have Generics Pharmacy sa halagang 199,199. And Butchog sa halagang 399,199. We have Payment Center sa halagang 219,198 pesos. And we have Rowing Spots at 359,199 pesos. So, mamili ka lang po kung saan dyan yung gusto mo package, okay? So, ayan, good news sa mga gusto mag-umpisa. Kagaya ko noon, kay small businesses, you can start with your own, okay? Small business ideas with low capital, okay? So, ito na po yung main product, Unified eCash Pay. So, that's all-in-one home-based original online service facility in the Philippines. One-time investment, lifetime business, no quota, no cash band, no renewal, no expiration, and no maintaining balance required. So, diba, nandyan na lahat. Yun po yung mga, at pwedeng ipamana sa mahal sa buhay. So, next po, one-stop shop. Meron tayong ticketing, remittances, insurance, bills payment, eluding, online shopping, shipping lines, and travel and tours. So, andyan na lahat. So, paano ba kumita sa airline ticketing? Ang good news, tie-up natin ng 406 airlines like Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific, AirAsia, and many more. And you can earn 500 pesos per pax per way. For example, sa domestic, ayan na yung income projection mo. Nakabook ka ng 20 katao, grabe, kikita ka po ng 10,000 a month. Okay? Kasi 500 times 20, 10,000 pesos. Okay? So, international naman po, you can earn 1,000 per pax per way. Okay? So, for example, nakapag-book ka sa international ng 1,000 times 10, grabe, kikita ka po ng 10,000 pesos per month. What if marami kang bookings? So, malaki yung kitain mo. Remittances, tie up natin si Buona, Smart Padala, Western Union, iRemit, GCash, eCash Padala, and International naman po. Meron tayong MoneyGram na iRemit, okay? So, ang good news dito, you can transact 24/7. Okay? Kikita tayo dito through convenience fee. Ang advantage lang po, kasi nga pwede kang mag-transact kahit gabi, kasi nga 24/7 siya. Kakaiba siya sa labas na mag-antay ka na magbukas ng 9 AM to 5 PM lang po yung oras. Pero dito, you can transact kahit gabi, umaga, tanghali, pwede. Okay, so next po, ayan, insurance. So, ano natin yung Malayan Insurance, CPG, and CTPL. Okay, so, ang coverage po sa ating insurance, accidental death, permanent dismemberment, 100,000 pesos. Motorcycle accident, 50,000 pesos. Burial assistant, 10,000 pesos. And fire assistant, 10,000 pesos. So, good news, pwede ka magbinta sa halagang 300 pesos per year. Okay, so minus 80, kitain mo is 220. 220 times 10, grabe, 2,200 yung kikitain mo. Grabe, what if madaming magpa-insured sa'yo? So, the more malaki yung income. So, next po, bills payment. So, tie up natin yung Buyed Center na may 1,000 billers, Meralco, PLDT, Video Smart, and yung lahat na screen, yan po. Okay, pwede po tayong magbayad, okay? So, ang kitaan po dito through convenience fee po. Okay, so next po, e-loading. Tie up natin yung Smart Globe Sun and lahat ng kita sa screen. Okay, so alam naman natin napaka-basic needs ng load talaga ngayon. Okay, so ayan, hindi lang buwan-buwan, araw-araw kang kumikita sa load. Okay, ang kitaan dito 2 to 15% commission plus markup. So next po, online shopping. Kung familiar sa Lazada, sa Lura, sa Unified Product and Services, we have online shopping, okay? Makita mo yung ating mga frozen foods, Unified Wellness Products, and we have F. Marie & Co. So, nandyan na lahat. Okay? So, ang good news, 30% discount siya lifetime. Okay? So, next po, shipping lines. Yan, tie up natin to Go Travel, Fastcat, and Trans-Asia. Okay? So, yan. Kikita tayo sa shipping lines through commission. And of course, we have travel and tours na po nito i-book ating mga client. Okay, sa international, okay, Disneyland, okay, Ocean Park, and of course, sa local, Palawan. Okay, kung saan sila gustong mag-travel. Okay, we can earn dito 200 to 700 per pax. Okay, so, ayan, 3 days and 2 nights. So, next po, residual income, okay? Meron tayo dito, residual income na up to 1 peso. Ayan, like ticketing, sa remittances, peso, ticketing is local. Meron tayong residual income na 10 peso, international 25 pesos, bawat transactions. Insurance naman po 1 peso, bills payment, 50 cents, and savers pack, yan, 1 peso. So, grabe, di ba? Ang ganda. Kasi hindi na yung kikita ka pa sa markup, meron ka pang residual income. So, ngayon makikita mo dyan, okay, pag ikaw ay nag-share sa business, meron kang left and right group, ito yung mangyayari, okay? So, nag-share ka sa negosyo, dito sa left friend mo, okay? Yan yung friend mo na A o tsaka B, okay? Nag-share din sa business. So, ganito, nadadami na yung mga tao under your organization. Okay? So, ang good news diyan, yung sinasabi kong residual kanina, every time mag-transact sila, meron kang income. Kahit hindi mo alam. So, every time mag-book sila ng Airpel Express, nag-book siya ng gabi, kikita ka ng 10 peso. Nag-order siya ng frozen foods, 1 peso. Nag-order siya ng, ayan, mga frozen foods. Ayan, Western Union, nag-transact siya. Nag-send siya ng pera sa pamilya, meron kang 1 peso. Kahit hindi mo alam, okay? Cebu Pacific, meron kang mga tao under organization nag-book ng ticket, meron kang 10 pesos. Cebuana, Sis Air, kikita ka ng 25 pesos bawat transaction if international. Philippine Airlines, ganun din, 25 peso. Okay, frozen foods, ayan, may nag-order, mayroon peso ka. Meralco, 50 cents. Maynilad, meron ka rin 50 cents. So, lahat ng mga transaction under organization, meron kang residual income. Diba ang ganda? So, next po, ayan, unified system, ayan, earned 73 pesos. So, sa mga nag-transact na yan. So, magkano nga ba? Okay? So, sa halagang 16,198, you can start online franchise business, one-stop shop. Okay? So, kayang-kaya. Affordable siya. Kasi nga, nandyan na lahat and may freebies pa. So, ito po. Make your business at the comfort of your home. Select your business package of choice. F. Marian ko sa mahilig magpaganda dyan. Hindi yung gaganda ka, kikita ka pa at nakakatulong ka pa sa iba. Okay? So, avail our package now. Okay? Naka-promo siya. At the same time, we have Rice Smart. Alam natin yung Rice Smart, basic needs ng tao. Okay, lahat, especially mga Pilipino, mahilig talaga kumakain ng bigas. So, avail our package now kasi naka-promo, may freebies pa. And of course, we have Unified Wellness product. Okay, kasama na ito yung mga one-stop shop business natin. Bawat packages. Okay, may freebies. And of course, our latest na package frozen products. Ayan, mamili ka na lang dyan kung saan yung gusto mo talaga. Okay, so grabe, sa halagang 16,198 lamang. Okay, so one-stop shop. Bills payment, loading, insurance, travel and tours, hotel booking, and ticketing. Okay, so fast ROI business, low-cost investment, easy to set up, and world-class services. So, second inclusions, 30% lifetime discount, 110 personal accident insurance, 1 year insured, business kit, marketing materials, free training, free business module, and free web tool with seminar, free use of brand, and EntrepHub products. Okay? So, next po, meron tayong iba't ibang packages. Yung one package business promo, sa halagang 280,000, magkaroon ka ng payment center, generics pharmacy, EntrepHub, F. Marian ko. Grabe. 280,000 lang. Kinumbay na. 5 and 1. Okay? So, next po, meron din tayo dito. Yan, global package. 2 discount voucher worth 50,000, 200k worth of freebies, and upgrade to payment center. Yan po yung inclusions. So, grabe, sobrang mura po talaga. Ang ating promo extended po siya until January 2024. Okay, so yan. Meron din tayong 220,000 only na payment center plus 10 accounts. So, ito po yung global accounts. 10 global accounts. 120k worth of freebies. 2 discount voucher worth 50,000. And upgrade to payment center. So, sobrang mura lang po. Naka-promo siya until January. Extended yung promo natin. January 2024. So, thank you. Keep safe everyone and God bless. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested and avail this package, just PM my Facebook and of course sa aking YouTube dyan sa chat box. Thank you so much and God bless.